All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. Got old Liberty here. She's very energetic, but soon I know she'll be falling asleep, so there is your dose of liberty for the day. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's been a very productive, good day today so far. Let me explain. Last night, I was at home. Lit was here at the store Friday night, so she stayed at the store overnight and opened till late. And she actually said it was a very good night. There was a party going on across the street, so a lot of people were buying Red Horse and snacks and just keeping her busy. Anyways, last night I was home and boy, she was getting rowdy. And my internet just cut out on me. No connection, no nothing. Went downstairs, checked the box, reset everything, and still nothing. So I was like, oh great. I gotta get up in the morning, I gotta go down to the cable company and deal with the line down there and deal with all that. Because I mean, you can sit down there for a good hour if there's a queue going on. So anyways, I got up this morning, headed down there, parked, went inside, and surprisingly, there was like nobody in there. I got the number, I seen the technical guys, he checked the box out, he said, yeah, it's no good anymore. Gave me a new box, I got the password, and left there. So yeah, that was a positive thing. I went down to the McDonald's, grabbed me an Egg McMuffin, ran into a subscriber there, and talked to him. Went over to the vape shop, went in there, and they usually don't have this flavor that I like. No, surprisingly, they had it, so I was good to go there. Got home, hooked up the new box, a new Wi-Fi box, and thinking to myself, you know, hopefully there's not going to be a problem connecting, because sometimes that could be a problem in itself. And hooked the box up and everything was good to go. So yeah, it has been a very good and a very productive morning this morning. Everything is going well. I'm at the shop right now, as you can see. Sorry store. Lut said business was coming first thing when she opened up, and Liberty says hello again. I had to pick her up because she's scratching my belly, but she's gonna probably be taking a nap here soon. Lut's laying down, and I'm at the store and I'm in control while Lut is sleeping. There's Lut. Alright guys, I'm up here. I call this area Times Square where we're at. This is the area, it's a 4-point area here, and it's where everybody comes down the main road and turns left, turns right, and or goes straight. But I call this Times Square, and I figured I'd just sit here and do some people watching. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sit here and just people watch. You guys gonna people watch right along with me. Just a super busy area. Got that puddle of water right there. Rained really good here yesterday. Lut said it was pretty bad here. Bikes, trikes, motorcycles, cars, jeepneys, everything comes down here. Everybody just gives way to everybody. They kind of just, I don't know, respect each other like that on the road. guys with helmets on, some guys without helmets on. Right at your own risk, I guess. Here. You're shot down the street. Bakery right over there. I grabbed some bread there the other day. Boy, was it good. It's actually very tender, or very soft. I was surprised. A little bakery like that would carry such soft bread. It wasn't even bread, it was like rolls, because it made me a cheesesteak. But man, excuse me, that was good bread from there. I'll definitely go back there and get more bread. Guy on a bicycle, tires. Going to a little store. Selling, I don't know what she's selling, rice, and there's a chicken guy there on the corner. Look at this vehicle coming through. There's a guy, a street guy that lives around here. Walks up and down the street all day long. I see him quite a bit. There's actually a couple of them. But the one, I don't see him yet. I've nicknamed him Young Jesus. That walks around. We've given him rice before. Lit actually gave him rice one time in a bowl. And the guy actually returned the bowl. I was very impressed. So I said something to Lut about the bowl, and she said she wasn't worried about it. Surprisingly, I looked outside and he stuck the bowl on the little step stool outside, so he returned the bowl. I thought that was very nice of him. And he doesn't beg for money. If he's hungry, he'll just ask for food, and we've given him food a few times now. This guy over here, can't see him, the pole's in the way. He's another one. Doesn't really bother anybody. He's only asked us maybe once or twice for some coins. He doesn't ask for food. But he's another one. He just kind of hangs out around here. Doesn't bother anybody. Make a pan down through here. Watching out for the water. Nobody wants to get a stink foot or stink leg or stink face. I'm sitting beside some smoked fish, I think, or dried fish. I can smell it. Uh-oh, puppies meeting in the street. Well, so it's amazing here. These dogs walk right past each other and they don't bother each other. The only time they really bother each other is when they're in heat, and then you gotta look out. Street dog. Somebody owns that dog. She's selling CC. That's what she's selling, CC. Now that I see the sign there. CC. Yes, I've tried CC, and yes, I love CC. It's made right. Now let's take a little walk and see what people are selling here tonight. It changes from throughout the day. In the morning, they sell different things than they do at night, so let's take a walk and see what they're selling tonight. Yeah, I was sitting there, I knew I smelled the dry fish.
Yeah, we're sending a lot of dry fish in our relatives in California.
Oh, do you?
Yes.
Okay, you have relatives in California?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, what is oldest brother of my father.
Okay.
He's a retired US Navy.
Okay. What do? Ship it over to them or send it over to them?
I have one son, but in Vancouver, Canada. So
okay.
But I choose to stay here in the Philippines, not in Vancouver, because it's really cold.
Canada?
Yes.
Oh yeah, very cold. Too much snow.
Yeah, too much snow.
Yeah. I'm not a fan of dry fish.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of bodyguards,
Yeah.
American, and but one of the Puerto Rican, the husband of my cousin, live in what do you call this, Pangasinan. He's eating dry fish and fish sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Not a fan. No, I've tried it, but I just.
Yeah, because it's stinky.
I'd rather eat durian.
Yeah.
And that's even stinkier.
Yeah, it's stinkier, but the taste of what do you call this, dry fish is
Yeah.
not really good for white people.
Yeah. Thank you. And you got the fruit guys, vegetables, potatoes, onion. Yeah, these little stands open up in the evening here. They're not open during the day. Kacha? Kuchi kacha? I kacha? They laugh because I pronounce it wrong. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, excuse me.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Fine.
Nice to meet you.
Your name?
Ryan.
Ryan?
Yes, sir. What's your name?
My name is Kaloy. I'm glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you.
You're from?
I'm from the United States.
You're Americano.
Yeah, Americano. Americano.
I worked with Americano 27 years.
Oh, yeah?
When Mark was here.
Yeah, yeah.
Were you a military?
No, I'm retired from working for the state of Pennsylvania.
Oh.
Yeah. I retired and now I live here. Yeah.
Where?
Where? Over in Playa del Juan, but my asawa has a sorry store here.
Oh.
Right over here, yeah.
Your name again, please?
Brian.
Ryan.
Yes.
Kaloy.
Nice meeting you. Very nice gentleman. Selling eggs. I can't tell you the difference between these eggs, but they price them differently. As you can see, these are 10. What kind of egg?
Itlog ng maalat. Itlog puro.
Egg of puro. Yeah.
Ano?
I be balut. Not for me. Then you get the chicken. Hello. a hamburger? What's that? Pork patty. Oh, okay. Pork patty. A little grill right there. It's a gas grill because the hose is coming off of it. Hello. And you got the barber.
Barber.
No, no barber. Thank you. Special hello, hello. That's sisig. I can smell that. Hello. Sisig. Very good. Huh? 50 pesos for sisig. It's a good price. Yeah. What's in sisig?
Combination of pork and onion.
Pork and onion?
Yes.
No pig brain?
Pepper.
Pepper? What about pig brain? I thought there was pig brain. No? Not in yours? Smells good.
Yes.
Smells really good.
Yes, right.
I like sisig. Lumpia. Oh. Focus. There we go. Large, medium, small. Yeah, everybody's selling something. Pizza person. Dry fish. This is the bakery. It's the bakery I was talking about. Them rolls right there are good. And you got the rice and the eggs. See what else we're selling down this way.
Hey, barbecue.
Barbecue.
Ah, you buy.
Oh no.
What's that? Let's rock it. You want
Barbecue.
Ano bibidyo ka mo?
Oh no, I'm good. Thank you.
Ah,
With your video. Yeah.
ano lang kung
Oh, traffic jam. Quail egg.
Eric, 12 pesos. 10 pesos.
These quail egg
Yeah, yeah.
and chicken.
Just okay? 12 pesos.
I've tasted before. I'm good. Thank you. Salamat. Another little kitchen. I think these guys are pretty cool. All your house supplies, your brooms, your buckets, trash cans, clothing hangers. This one's pretty empty. I've seen them where they're just packed, full of stuff. This one's empty. Maybe you had a good sale today. Now let's see what else we got down here. Hello. get around here. Pizza. What else I got? Fish balls right here. My favorite fish balls. A woman with her bicycle selling her fruits and vegetables. Yeah, vegetables. Yeah, that's about it. So, a little stroll around little Times Square here. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Yeah, like I said, I can sit and people watch all day. I love seeing different things throughout the day. Different things do come out throughout the day. Different foods, different people, different everything. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Head back to the store. I think Luke's cooking chicken tonight, and it's been a very good day. Very well, every day here in the Philippines seems to be a good day. And you know what? Like I said before, if you smile and say hello, the Filipino people, they're gonna smile and say hello back to you. Very friendly people. But hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'm gonna wrap this one up and call it a day. And we'll see you tomorrow.